Hi, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. Well, as you can see from this video, we're not in our kitchen. Mike and I are on a wonderful vacation in sunny Gulf Shores, Alabama, but we still want to cook something really, really good. So come on and see what we're going to cook for you tonight. We have fresh tuna, we have some butter, lemon of course, a little spray, coconut oil, some extra virgin olive oil, some seafood seasoning, some long grain rice. I cheated, little Hollandaise sauce, and we're gonna have a salad. And Mike would not be happy if we didn't have his favorite Italian dressing. So this is what's going into our recipe, and come back in a minute and we'll show you how we put it all together. Just a reminder, we are in the motorhome, so no special lighting, no special cameras, no special audio. It is what it is. Hope you enjoy. That we're using for our dish. It's Zatarain's long grain and wild rice. It tastes so good. It has onion in it. It has no MSG, which we love. But anyway, I'm going to follow the recipe on the box. It calls for 2 1/4 cups of water, a tablespoon of butter, and then all you do is open the package. You add it. Stir it up. You bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you put the lid on and you simmer it for 25 minutes and your rice is done. Tell you what, right now, excuse the noise in the background. We have the air conditioner on, we have the vent on because of the stove, and there's a lot of background noise. So gray noise, if that's what you want to call it. But anyway, when this comes up to a boil, I'm going to turn it down to a simmer, put the lid on. 25 minutes later, our rice is going to be done. Check this out. It's McCormick's Hollandaise Sauce. I know it's not homemade, but let me tell you something. It is really, really good. All it is a half a stick of butter, a cup of water, the packet mix, and let me show you. It doesn't take any time at all. This is so good. And I'm going to try it. So, it's good. It's got that lemony taste for the Hollandaise sauce, and it's great. It's great. Give it a try. All we did was put a little olive oil and seafood seasoning on our tuna, and now it's time to go to the griddle. Ooh, I hear it. So we're going to just wait a little while, and I like my tuna to get where when you're looking at it, about a third of the way up, it starts turning like it's cooked, and then it's time to flip it over. You don't want your tuna to be overcooked. It's great when it's like medium rare to rare, maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So we'll be turning it over in just a few minutes, and we'll come back and show you what it looks like. You can see how the tuna is cooking right now. It looks delicious, and when it gets a little bit higher, we're going to go ahead and flip it over to the other side. Now go ahead and take these beautiful tuna steaks off, let them rest for a few minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and plate it for delicious dinner.
Well, we switched places. Pam's now behind the camera because I'm digging in. Put a little Mediterranean sea salt, that's what it says on the label, on my salad. Let me put in a little black pepper. It's one thing I love is black pepper on my salad. Love black pepper. And of course, Pam already put my favorite all-time Italian dressing on here. Olive Garden. It's got a lot of Parmesan cheese in it. That's good. And this masterpiece is so good. Very pink on the inside. Look at that. That's how we like it. We don't like it raw, but we like it pink on the inside. That's the tuna with the Hollandaise sauce. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's good. That's some wild rice. Zatarain's wild rice. It's great. Mmm. You know, when we come to Gulf Shores, I don't know, I just think about deep water, big water, you know, deep water fish. And that's why I always buy a nice big chunk of tuna or mahi-mahi, swordfish, something that I can get locally, and then we cook it. And this is so good, it's amazing. I'm so glad, I feel blessed that we're able to afford to be able to do this too. I mean, and this to me is better than going out to eat. Although we try to go out to eat, and there's so many people in the Gulf Shores right now, there's absolutely no way you can get into a decent restaurant at 6 o'clock in the evening. It's not going to happen. Anyway, this is a great meal. We hope you give it a try at home. Thank you for tuning into the Sandra's Kitchen. Pam had a great time cooking for you, and I'm having a great time eating it. So go get you some tuna, grill it up the way we did it, some Hollandaise sauce, some dirty rice, and a great salad. Have a great week, and God bless you.